My office mates and I were having this kind of sport since we already have these rackets. And I think we can easily handle this kind of sport. Exercise improves mood.
Nagbadminton sila ba? Dali! Dali, kapag ka ba lang dito? Dali! Wala lang ko! Wala lang ko po! Wala! Oo! Sugo-sugo! Wait, nagsugo ko!
What is your sport? Sports for me is one way of sweating yourselves out. Makes you feel good. It's like moving your body as if you're having an exercise, which is good for your body. Actually, there are benefits of sports. So we can see people into sports. They're developing their leadership skills.
Baga, isang imong bana, ayaw ko na sa bigkuan, duwa, kay matagap ko na ang bata.
Dali! Ali! Dali na! Huwag usaw ba? Namiyo sa kalakit. Dali ba?
Ako din mga bilabi, ako mga ilin, hindi pakyaan.
According to my research, regular exercise helps prevent or manage many health problems and concerns, including stroke, metabolism syndrome, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. Other benefits of sports include developing leadership skills, mental wellness, teamwork, confidence booster, enhance cognitive function, boosts energy. It develops social skills and discipline.
Diri lang!
It also helps weight management and building connections, better sleep, and it reduces stress and strengthens bones. The American Diabetes Association recommends a combination of aerobic activity and strength building to lower the risk of developing pre-diabetes and type 2. This helps in keeping sugar levels down and reduces the risk of developing diabetes. It regulates blood pressure. So exercise is one of the best remedies to reduce gut health concerns.
Maglisag ko basta ano.
Playing sports makes you happier.
Kapoy naman. Lahat ko na?
Okay, gipaningot na. Ipahuway ang mga players.